So, yun mga idol. So, ito mga idol, ito yung transmission ng Ford Victoria yung 2010. So, ito mga idol, 2012 daw to, pero ano yan sila? Okay yan sila. So, match lang yan. Okay, so ngayon mga idol, so nagbigay siya ng buo. Kasi yung ano niya, yung transmission niya ang daming sira. Okay, so ito mga idol, oh. Ito yung bullet piston niya, tapos itong direct drum. Tapos yung forward pa mga idol, singaw, may kain dito sa ilalim. Tapos yung converter niya, sira din. Tsaka yung mga bakos-bakos niyan. Yung ano to ay reverse band. Okay? Reverse band o direct drum, direct band, overdrive band. Okay? So tapos ito pang ano niya, mga servo accumulator. So sira. Tapos yung ano niya, transmission pump sira din, may kain kasi marami kasing ano gas yung ano niya, sira yung tanjara, tapos may kinain, tapos meron pa yung bearing na sira. So maraming sira mga idol, kaya inano ko lang siya, pinakanvas ko siya ng pisa at saka yung buo. So nagbigay siya ng buo. So ito ngayon, leaking yung wheel seal, so palitan natin tong wheel seal. So, hindi pa naman siya na-open mga idol. So, hindi pa siya na-open. Original pa siya. Hindi siya na-backlash, pero nag-leaking. Tapos, yung wheel seal niya dito mga idol, leaking rin. Dito, sa shifter. Pero ano lang, mahina. Yung leaking dito. Yan. Yan sa shifter na yan. Merong leaking. Okay? Tapos, dito mga idol, kung makikita nyo, para siyang ano, may lamat. So, dito yan galing. Tapos, meron siyang laman sa loob yan. Yung kulay yellow. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung oil niya mga idol. May itim rin. So, hindi natin alam kung baka may problema to sa loob. Kaya, ano lang to? Subok-subok lang to mga idol. So, ito na mga idol. Binaklas ko yung wheel pan mga idol kasi meron nga tayong nakita yung plastic na yun. So ngayon mga idol, so pag backlash ko mga idol, nakita natin itong metal na to mga idol, oh. Ito yung kaputol niya to sa ano, dipstick. Yung dipstick niya naputol. Tapos saan ba yung o-ring? Sana yun nilagay ko? Nawala. Ito. Yan. Ito yung o-ring niya mga idol sa dipstick. Tapos itong plastic na to mga idol, takip na siguro to nung una. Testing natin dito. Takip nga mga idol. So bali dito siya. Dito yan. Yan. Bali takip siya. Para hindi maalikabukan. So ito yung housing ng ano, luma niya na transmission. Okay. Tapos ito yung ano niya, binigay na buo. So ngayon mga idol, yung oil pan niya lumping. Hindi maganda. You know? So, tapos meron siyang ano din, mga ribaba. Kunti lang naman. Okay. So, palitan lang natin to ng fluid. Transmission fluid. Sana maging okay pa. Tapos itong wheel pan mga idol, kabit natin yung kanyang original kasi ito, yan lumping. Yan. Okay? So, yan mga idol, update ko lang kayo mga idol pag test drive ko na kung okay ba to o hindi. So, yan mga idol. So, ito na yung transmission fluid pan niya, yung original. So, hindi to lumping ha. So, straight to yan. Okay? So, ngayon, itong gasket niya, bago rin to. Ha? Bawaan na ni kay kuan man, sunog ang itiip. Pero wala, may kinaon-on nga kuan. Bawaan na. Ha? Oh. Ayos mo na. Putol.
Rin mo lang kay.
Good evening. So maayong good afternoon, mga adlaw mga idol. Libog tani. So ayan, ito yung ano mga idol, yung Ford Victoria Okay, ito yung ano niya. So, sa flywheel, yung ring gear. So, ito yung original mga idol. Ito yung surplus na binigay. So, ngayon mga idol, ang problema nito kaya ko pa pinapalitan. Kasi sabi ng customer, pag start mo daw, merong time na magtutunog yung ano, pag crank mo. So, ngayon, yung problema yan mga idol. Ito yan mga idol. Oh. Yung ano ya, yung ngipin niya, ayan, palos. Dito, okay siya. Pagdating naman dito, palos na naman. Okay? Tapos dito, okay na naman siya. Pagdating dito, palos na naman. Okay? Tapos hanggang dito. Hanggang dito mga idol. Okay? So, ngayon, ito yung binigay niya na surplus. Meron din siyang tama, pero hindi siya gaanong malaki. So, dalawang ngipin lang. Ayan. Ito yung dalawang ngipin. So, dalawang ngipin yung ano, may kain. Okay? So, at least alam yun ng ano, yung nag-supply nito na Sudani. So, merong dalawang ngipin dito. Ayan. So, pero mas okay to kaysa dito. Kaya kabit natin to mga idol. Okay?
May tama ko na to eh.
Ha?
May tama.
Oh, ako pong ipalisan. Okay. Guys, good morning. Dir. So, alam mo dir, hadap wajib magrakib. Okay? Asa na patha, mapisim-sim. Okay? Ada mungkin wajib datang jara, hadap. Okay? Oh. Walhin ada tanjara. Okay? So, hada ganta kabir hada wajib yani sagir. Ini hada musmar hina jowa. Musmar hina maik darake pada sim patah hadab. Ini fi farag. Kalam hada Sudani taal asan masuk isfarag ha. Syukran. Guys, good evening guys. So this is the tow converter. This is a surplus. Okay. This is the tow converter original, and this is also tow converter surplus. But this converter is small. This is big. Okay. See, the original is big. The surplus. This is a tow converter. He gave the Sudani. Okay. Small. But the what call this part for pump is the same size. Okay, and this also the same big. Now so guys, so I already fixed this tow converter guys for the transmission, but it's hard to turn. Okay, so it's hard to turn. And now when I check the size is the same, and when I check the inside also is the same. Okay, same. Now when I see outside, I found this I hope you see. Okay, so this scratch. Okay, now I already make sandpaper. And not the same before. Now it's better. Okay, and now this scratch is attached to the bushing for the pump. Okay, now the oil seal is here. Maybe if the oil seal is here, have leak. But now when I check, so this groove is for the bushing for the pump. So now when I check the level, as you can see, so this is the end, the width for the or lapad ng bushing. Ayan. So is the width for the bushing and high cheek. Okay, so now we compare into the, this is the width also for the bushing. Okay guys, so now we check. Okay, so here, as you can see, now we go in the part have scratch. Okay, so the oil seal is this side, the to converter oil seal. So if you fix this converter, any, if I try fix and not hard, so I final put this converter. Okay, but it's hard. I fix this small one. Why I want to fix this? Because this to converter is big, seem like original, and this is small. Okay, this is small, this is big, so I want to fix this. I hope not hard to turn because I already make sandpaper. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you guys. I will update you guys after I will fix now. So now guys, this to converter is, I already fixed the small one. Okay, and now they have a mark when I put the in the oil seal for the Vaseline. Okay, so now have a mark. Okay, so now it meaning the oil seal is this side, the oil seal, because the Vaseline is stopped there. Okay, now we will check. Okay, so this is the end for the bushing, and see the end for the bushing, and we will see the scratch. Okay, so the scratch is belong to the bushing, not in the oil seal. Okay, so now I already sandpaper, now it's better, and I will try to fix. Okay. So guys, good afternoon guys. So now guys, we are here in the road guys. So we test drive this for the Marquis, no? Okay guys, so this car is as you remember before, I have a video for this. The transmission slide. Okay, so if you did not see the video, no problem, I will put the link in the comment section. Okay, or yeah, in the description. Okay, so that if you you know the problem before. Okay, so this transmission I did not his original transmission I open, and I'll make a overhaul. So when I remove too much parts damage, so now the customer gave complete transmission but surplus. Okay, now I already fix and I will test drive this. So before, in my previous video, you can see this needle for the RPM. If the shifting is in the number 4, have slide. Okay, so now I already test drive, it's good. Okay, from 1 2 3 4 and overdrive. Okay, so now you observe this needle. Okay, so now we're in number 1, number 2, number 3, four, 5. Okay, you see guys, the RPM, the needle for the RPM down, so meaning the overdrive engage, so the shifting is all good. Okay, so now I will go back in the workshop and I will see another parts problem. Okay guys, so now this transmission is good. Okay, and no fault code for the transmission, because before have a code for the transmission over temperature, and as you can see you can see in my previous video, the transmission fluid temperature is 127, red color yun, it's over. Okay, 127, it's over. Okay, so now the temperature is good. When I test drive this, I see the temperature is always only in the 86 and 76. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you. So again, number 2, number 3, so we cannot engage this overdrive because the road or the way is short. But I tell you guys, the transmission is good. No problem. Have a little number three shifting. Have a little have little yani what's called this for the English, malfunction, but yani not necessary. Maybe need to more drive because maybe have air because this transmission is surplus. Okay. Okay guys. Guys, so this is the Ford. I removed the propeller shaft because when I up the car, I see a leak. Okay, so the leak is from the wheel seal. So now I have a caliper. I measure from the outer to inner like this. The dip from the lips inside. Okay, and you see I have a mark here, this blue line. Okay, so this is the end of the wheel seal outside, and this part is the inner. Okay, so now when you measure like this, and if you turn this, okay, you see this side have scratch. Wait. Okay, see, they have a scratch. So now I will try to make sandpaper. I hope it coming good. We will try. Okay, scratch. See, and here. So this is the lips for the he meet the place for the lips of the wheel seal. So we will try to sandpaper this. Keras. Hello sir, good evening sir. So this is the Ford sir. I already test drive 2 times. So the oil not coming. So now this is the another one, or the second one, profiler or drive shaft, give the Sudani. Okay, have a scratch this side, but when I test drive, no vibration. It's good. Okay, and no leak. And from this, okay,